I needed to think of my next post. Thinking is actually big work. Something came to my mind. Let me piss my wife off. She said I shouldn't wear black again, and I was wondering why. Black is actually one of my best colors. I know a lot of people out there love black too. Well, in order not to drag it, I just said, you know what, whatever. And thought that why don't I just draw some skulls? I know she doesn't like me drawing skulls because she has some kind of weird attachment to them that, yeah, they represent evil. But to me, I love them. I think they're cool actually. And besides, if you want to even go the Christian way, God put the skulls inside our head already. So if somebody wants to make them a symbol of evil, that's their big fat luck. It was still created by God, and God said it was good. That means everything that He made, including the skulls in our head, is actually good. Yeah, that's what I'm doing today, drawing some skulls. In fact, it's actually meant to be a t-shirt design, and I just remember that even Christ Himself died at a city called Golgotha. And that's what I'm going for. I'm making a Golgotha t-shirt. I have my mom called and my phone stopped recording almost at the beginning, so I had to check all my cameras again. Just imagine. Everything is fixed now, so let's get back to work. So for those that don't know, Golgotha is actually the place where Jesus died, the place of the skulls. That's the meaning of Golgotha. And I think you get the way we rep that's Skidi, Nigeria, Abuja. I know abroad they rep LA, New York, and so on and so forth. We can also rep Golgotha too. I mean, the most important event of humanity happened at that place. So why not rep Golgotha too? So I'm making the skulls cartoonish. That's the way I do. I think doodle skulls are cool. So I think it's looking good. I can't wait to put on a mock-up to say it looks on the t-shirt. And if you guys think that, hey, you want one to, just put in the comment section. And maybe I'll put it out for sale. I look for all these online shops to get you hooked up with it. Just holler at me and I will do it. Thank you for watching. I'm going to put a mock-up right now and pow, that is it.